In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from HSBC to PayPal. So this one is actually really easy. So the term send is actually inaccurate because you can just cash in using HSBC debit card into your PayPal. So to do that, let's head over and click onto this add card or bank. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this. It can be a credit card or a bank account. Let's click onto this bank account option right here. And then once it's done, just head over and put in here the bank name. So let's put in here HSBC. So they will also show you in here other bank name option as well as a bank code that from in there right there. So as you can see, they will also ask for a bank code. So you can head over and then search for it. Just put in your HSBC as well as the country that you're in as well as your bank code. Then from in there, just put in here that and then enter in your account number. Click onto this link your bank. Now once you have linked your bank, you can head over and then just cash in using that. Another option is to just add in here your card. So if you have a credit card from HSBC, click onto this link a credit card. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this. Make sure to add in here your card number, expiration, CVV, as well as your billing address, and click onto this link card option in order to cash in. And then you can use your card in order to add money to PayPal. So to do that, just head over right here to your home, and then click onto this three dots right here. Then you can hover to your PayPal balance. You can add money if you want to as well.